gets energy, and while some has got energy loss, and even for example in cars it's 62%, for cooking it is more than 75%, so on and so forth. Many objects lose energy in the form of heat. What we are planning to do is that capture this heat energy and convert it into electricity. We have made a device named Thermos Energia, and we have the tagline as electricity minus the bills. So what it basically does is capture heat energy from various sources, be that the candle, be that the oven, be that the exhaust pipe of bikes, or even be that the car radiators, and convert all this heat energy into electricity. As you see, still 200 million Indians are in the dark. They do not have access to electricity. More than 10 million people in India every year are relocated just because of natural calamities like floods and cyclones. Even in and when the rehabilitation is given with them, those localities that do not have good supply of electricity. And you talk about the refugee crisis currently going on in the entire world. They not just have food and water crisis, they also have energy crisis. So all this number taken together, statistics says that already 2.9 billion people are there on this earth, those who have no access to electricity and are living in the dark. So we plan to go social with it by addressing these population, go for rural electrification, go for bulk procurement of our product by the NGOs, those are addressing this refugee crisis needs, and even reach every oven and every home wherever there is some cooking taking place, or every restaurants, every decors, wherever you see, so that our product can become as a popular and cheap means of providing electricity solutions to all the people those who are actually in need of it.
Is a clean tech, it's portable, it's light, almost zero installation cost, whereas the biggest difference from solar and our product is we are not weather dependent like solar. We does not depend on weather, and we are not geographically dependent like our windmill, which requires this plain valley of huge wind speed around 7 km per hour. We are not dependent upon any kind of wind speed, nor any kind of solar power. Just an idea, it's a prototype, and right now we are in a minimum viable product stage. We are going to do a pilot with the street hawkers as well as with the food delivery partners in just this month. We have already won ICC Startup Pad, that is Indian Chamber of Commerce Startup Pad Eastern Region in 2017 December. We were selected as the top 50 startup of the India-Israel Global Innovation Challenge. We were also the runner-up of the Hult India National Finals, and to add to that, we are also the top 5 future entrepreneurs from Infocom Future Leadership Award.